Today I am reviewing the HiBoost cell phone signal booster. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today, we are taking a close look at a device designed to solve one of the most frustrating problems of the modern age: dropped phone calls and sluggish data speeds. We are diving into a comprehensive review of the HiBoost cell phone signal booster for home and office. If you live in a rural area, work in a concrete building, or reside in a metal house that completely blocks your cellular reception, you will want to listen closely. This industrial-grade booster promises to blanket large spaces with a crystal-clear signal. Let us break down the technology, carrier compatibility, and the setup process to see if this device can finally get you off the grid of dead zones. Let us kick things off with the actual coverage and performance capabilities, because this is where the HiBoost system really flexes its muscles. This unit is engineered to cover up to 4,000 square feet, making it perfect for a multi-room home, a spacious office, or a standalone metal warehouse. It is built to effortlessly support multiple users and multiple devices simultaneously, meaning everyone in your household or office can stream, text, and talk at the exact same time without choking the system. Now, there is one very important rule of physics you need to keep in mind before buying any booster on the market. These devices do not create a cell signal out of thin air, they amplify an existing one. Because of this, you do need to make sure you have at least 1 to 2 bars of stable signal on the outside of your house or up on your roof, so the outdoor antenna has something to actually catch and pass along to the booster. One of the absolute biggest selling points of this specific HiBoost model is its universal, carrier-grade compatibility. It features full multi-band support, specifically covering cellular bands 12, 17, 13, 5, 25, 2, and 4. What this means in the real world is that it works seamlessly with all major United States and Canadian carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Straight Talk, and US Cellular. This is an incredible feature for families or offices where different people use different mobile providers. Furthermore, it means that even if you decide to switch your cellular service down the road to save money, you will never have to buy a new booster. It is completely future-proof. Speaking of the future, let us talk about 5G compatibility, as there is some technical nuance here you need to understand. This HiBoost unit fully supports 5G data speeds, but it specifically boosts 5G services that are deployed on existing 4G LTE bands using dynamic spectrum sharing, or DSS technology. This is how carriers currently roll out the vast majority of their nationwide 5G coverage. You should note that ultra-high frequency millimeter wave bands and T-Mobile's standalone 600 MHz bands are not permitted for consumer boosters by the FCC yet. So, as long as your carrier uses standard bands in your area, this machine will deliver astonishingly high data speeds. Also, don't be alarmed if your box arrives with 4G branding on the graphics. The internal hardware and smart chips have been fully upgraded to handle 5G processing across all those core bands. When it comes to installation, setting up a signal booster can sometimes feel incredibly intimidating, but HiBoost has made the process surprisingly user-friendly. The unit features a built-in LCD data screen directly on the booster chassis, and it pairs wirelessly with the official HiBoost companion smartphone app. The app features step-by-step instructional videos that guide you through the process, and it uses real-time data to help you aim your outdoor antenna in the exact direction of your carrier's nearest cell tower. This ensures you get the absolute maximum power output. They even include a specialized flat window wire in the box, which allows you to feed the antenna cable right through the bottom of a window frame, completely eliminating the need to drill holes through your exterior walls. Finally, let us talk about safety and build quality. This device is fully FCC-approved, meaning it meets strict government safety standards and will never interfere with the carrier's towers. It is packed with a premium, high-performance smart chip featuring automatic gain control, or AGC. This intelligent chip constantly monitors the incoming signal strength. If the outside tower signal suddenly spikes or becomes too strong, the booster automatically adjusts its own power levels to prevent system overload, guaranteeing a highly stable, long-term performance without overheating. To wrap it all up, the HiBoost cell phone signal booster is an absolute game-changer for anyone struggling with terrible indoor reception. By combining a massive 4,000 square foot coverage zone with universal carrier support, smart 5G optimization, and an app-assisted installation, it leaves cheap boosters completely in the dust. It is built with true industrial quality. It is incredibly reliable, and it delivers on its promise of crystal-clear calls and lightning-fast data. If you are ready to stop chasing signal bars around your house and reclaim your mobile connectivity, this booster is a phenomenal investment that will completely transform your digital life.